everyone, welcome back. If you're new here, my name is Alessandra and I make weekly beauty videos. This week I decided to do a creative makeup look with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy palette, and I really love my look. If you do too, please keep on watching and don't forget to like and subscribe. So I've been using Pinterest as like my go-to inspiration every time I'm like stuck and I don't know what I want to do with my hair, my nails, my makeup. I go straight to Pinterest and I just type in inspo or hair inspo and I just scroll for hours, and that is how I pick what I want to do with my hair, my nails, and my makeup, and that is what I did today. I was so stuck. I don't know why I'm like in this creative block, and Pinterest just helped me get out of my creative block, and that is why I'm here today, and I'm going to be extra creative for you. Thank you, Pinterest. So I'm going to use my Amrezy palette. I used it in my last tutorial, so this is going to be my second look with this palette. Unfortunately, I cannot lift the palette and show you the colors because in my last video I was using the palette and the color Liddy, it's like the pressed pigment, which is so beautiful, just broke on me and it is everywhere, and if I lift this palette, Liddy will be all over me and it's just not good. So that's that. But today I am feeling like a pink. I don't know if I'm feeling the sparkle. I feel like I've been doing a lot of sparkle, and that's not even like a me thing. I'm more of like a matte person, so I'm going to just be doing like a blown out pink look. It's going to be like Valentine's inspired, like a dramatic Valentine's Day, of course. Let's get started before I keep rambling. I'm going to use my trusty shadow shields because I love these and I don't want to get my base all messy. And I never peel the bottom off because it catches my fallout better when I don't. If it's just laying flat, it's not catching everything. Now that they're on, like, look how gorgeous that is. I'm not gonna do exactly like that because I don't have her eye shape, I don't have those eyelashes, and I don't have her exact colors. Keep saying let's get started and I still have not got started. I have not used this in so long. I usually just use concealer because who has time to put on a paint pot, but we're trying to go for like a really dramatic look here, so I'm gonna go all out. I always put extra where I kind of need that coverage, which is in my crease, because I have some veiny ass eyelids. I'm gonna try to just focus on doing one eye for you. I'm gonna do my other eye, of course, but really showing you my one eye because I feel like today is gonna be so long if I do both eyes, and nobody wants to watch an hour video. I'm gonna go in with the color OG, a transition color with a big fluffy brush. And bring it all the way in because that is what she has in the picture. She has her colors all the way in, even though it's a cut crease, all the way out. It's gonna be a blown out look. Now I'm going to take a MAC 217, which is a slightly tapered blending brush compared to the other one I used, and I'm going to take the color SEMSA, which is a pinky purpley color. Tap off the excess, and I'm going to start in my outer corner and work in my crease. Now bring it all the way in and up from what's left on your brush. Keep building up with this. It's better off to start lighter than darker. outer corner, really bring it out. Just want to say how beautifully these shades blend. This picture, she has a darker shade going on. I'm going to take a more tapered brush and I'm going to use the color YUGO, and I'm going to tilt my head back so I could see my whole crease. Release it. Very purple once you place it with pinks, but on its own it doesn't look this purple. Patting it in there and blending it up. Pat here, blend up. Try to keep this section light because we're gonna cut the crease. So now I'm gonna go back in with the MAC Pro Longwear. I'm going to cut my crease, and the way she did it was quite high, so I'm gonna copy hers because I really like her shape. Usually I would just do my lid, but she goes all the way up here. And that's what gives it like that moonish look. And honestly, the higher you go up, the fuller your eye is gonna look. It's half the moon, meaning she doesn't go fully out here. A clean flat brush, and then a big fluffy brush. And with a clean flat brush, we're gonna go with Wasted. Smooth it out and then blend it, and then wiping off my flat brush, I'm gonna go back into OG, blend into SEMSA, a flat brush like this, easy, is a sparkly shade. I'm gonna draw a line. It's supposed to be subtle, not supposed to get crazy line, and then pull back on it like that. And I want to go back into SEMSA. With BARB, I'm going here, directly here. Of course, I have to go back into my crease and deepen everything up. YUGO. I'm going back to SEMSA. I'm taking my big fluffy brush and I'm going back into SEMSA as well, and just going up here. So now I've done both of my eyes. I'm gonna do my eyeliner. I'm gonna use a gel eyeliner from Morphe that I've never opened. And I'll tell you why I'm not using black. I'm gonna go over with the YUGO, so black would completely defeat the purpose of that. So now that I have my eyeliner on, I'm gonna go with the YUGO and I'm just gonna trace the line. I'm gonna use MAC Smolder eyeliner. I want this to be in an intense eye look, so I need to get this as dark as possible. My trick is I always go in with a little brush and I'm going to go back with my color YUGO and I'm going to set the eyeliner. So now I have like a grungy kind of colorful look going on. I'm going to take BARB and Wasted, just pop it back here. I know I already have a lot on, but you know what the hell. I'm gonna put on some mascara and eyelashes and I'll be right back. As I'm waiting for my glue to dry for my lashes, I'm gonna be applying my lip for you. I'm gonna make it a wearable lip, so I'm gonna use my Kylie Jenner lip liner in Forever and Always. My lips are dry today. I'm not gonna use a lip kit. I'm just gonna use her Kylie Jenner gloss in So Cute It is super light, so it's going to really just make my eyes pop instead of my lips. So this is the finished look. I want to thank you guys for watching. It was super fun to create. If you want to see more creative looks like this, please comment below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and have a great day.